In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Cloudways Support. If you've ever had a server issue, a stalled migration, or an application error, and needed help quickly, you already know how frustrating it can be to dig through articles when all you really want is a real person. Cloudways does place an automated support layer in front of live assistance, so knowing the fastest path can save you a lot of time. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open the built-in support hub, move past the chatbot suggestions, start a live chat, submit a technical ticket, and understand your support options. First, sign into your Cloudways platform dashboard. Once you're inside, look over to the far right side of the screen. You should see a floating tab labeled Need Help. Click that tab to open the slide out support panel. This help center is built directly into the platform so you can access support without leaving the page you're working on. If you need immediate assistance, choose the live chat option inside that panel. Cloudways will usually ask you to briefly describe your issue or select a category such as server management, billing, or application errors. After that, the system may recommend a few help articles. If your issue is urgent and you want to reach a real support representative faster, skip the suggested articles and type "Speak to an agent," or select the option that says "Chat with an expert" if it appears. That should move you into the queue for live human support. If your issue is more complex and doesn't need instant troubleshooting, open a support ticket instead. In the same help panel, click Create a Ticket, then fill in the form carefully, add the affected server name, the related application details, and choose the severity level that best matches the problem. In the description box, explain the issue clearly and include relevant error messages or screenshots if you have them. The more precise your information is, the easier it will be for the technical team to investigate without needing multiple follow-ups. When everything looks good, submit the ticket. You'll then receive a tracking reference through your account contact email so you can monitor updates. It's also helpful to understand the support tiers. Standard support includes round-the-clock live chat for all users. If you need faster responses or more advanced troubleshooting, Cloudways also offers paid upgraded support plans. Higher tiers can include priority handling, deeper technical assistance, and in some cases, direct communication channels with senior support staff. Before you finish, take a moment to review any open chats, ticket details, and notification settings. Make sure your issue information is accurate and that you're set up to receive replies properly. And that's it. You now know how to contact Cloudways support efficiently and choose the right support path for your situation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.